Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel. As you know, AI is exploding since 2023 with the release of OpenAI's ChatGPT. It's been all over the news. Everybody wants to know, how to make money from this, what's this going to mean for their job. And DeepSeek, Grok, these are just new advancements being made every 3 months, it seems like. And it's important that today I just kind of break down what I think the big opportunity here is with regards to making a business a successful service and something people are willing to pay for, as well as provide that independence, and financial security for yourself. So what I see here with what we've been able to do at Elanix is that there's a lot of small to medium businesses that could benefit hugely from the use of AI, specifically an AI agent, meaning one that can take actions on behalf or from a prompt that we feed it. So unlike ChatGPT, where it can only really respond to what's in its knowledge base and give you text-based answers, even generate a picture, these AI agents can perform full jobs if we program it that way. And it's not even about programming, it's about prompting. So we have a digital marketing agent, just for example, that creates content, generates a caption, posts that to social media, 4 different platforms actually, and it does that every single day on repeat. So we've been able to automate a big part of our digital marketing process at, I would say, 99% less of the cost. To run this agent is costing us in the pennies, and maybe over the course of a month, if we do it every single day consistently, maybe $2, $3, and that's already just me being over generous with that. But the huge opportunity is from positioning yourself in a place where you can provide these agents to businesses, even an AI consulting, where you can just guide them on what solution it looks like they need and how they move forward. But WhatsApp chat agent, customer support chat agent on social media, comment bots, posting bots, social media bots, that is definitely where the trend is. So if that's something that you're interested in, let's get started. Do your research. Don't really need to know how to code.